Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you how to check CPU temp Windows 11. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to check your CPU's temperature, well, there is a way for you to check this. Now, currently, if you try visiting, let's just say your task manager here and going to the section for performance, now the only thing that you should be seeing here is going to be like the utilization of your CPU, but not exactly the temperature of your CPU. Now, in order for you to view your temperature here, you need to install a very specific free tool that you could get online. So, in this case, you want to go and open up any browser. You want to go ahead and just type in the file. It's going to be cpuid.com. Now, there are three applications that we could use in here. You have HW Monitor and CPU-Z. So in our case, maybe we want to use HW Monitor here. Let's go and click on for Windows. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and go to the left side here, and you should see a number of things here. So go to versions. You want to go and click on Setup English. Click on it. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and click on Download Now. Now, don't worry, this one is free, so you don't have to pay for anything. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and open up where you actually downloaded the .exe file. Double click on it. And once you've done that, it's going to basically set this up for you. Now, let's go and click on Next. Click on Next. And in this case, if you want to create a desktop icon, you can go and do that. Let's go and click on Next here. Click on Install. Click on Finish. Now, it's going to open up some files here. So, a README file would actually appear, but you could go and just close that up if you want to. But once you have this installed, you want to go and look for HW monitor here. So, in my case, this is going to be HW monitor. This is what we just recently installed. Let's go and double click on it to open it up. It's going to initialize the application here. Just wait for a while here. And what we're looking for is going to be your CPU. Now, usually it's going to be around this section here. You may need to scroll down a bit in here to see information about it. So in this case, it's going to scroll down a bit here until we see our CPU. Again, you want to go and just scroll down around in here. And it's going to take a while here. So let's just look for it. And we've just recently found it. So you need to look for Intel Core or something similar to that. So whatever the name of your CPU is. And in here, you should see temperatures and you should see your P cores and E cores. Now, if you're not aware yet, P cores or your P core here is the one that handles like gaming, any apps that's currently running on your PC. Now, E cores is going to be the one who handles background processes or background tasks. So that's why you have like two, especially just like for newer CPUs. So you may see P cores and E cores here. But yeah, so what does this mean? Now, the value section or the column here means it's the current temperature of your CPU. Now, the min section is going to be the lowest that your temperature actually have gotten on your CPU, while the max value here is going to be the max temperature that your CPU actually has gotten in your PC or laptop here. So yeah, so currently this is how you view your CPU temperature, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.